Kazakh programmers developed a smart speaker. It can support almost any conversation, give advice, and answer such questions as weather forecast or currency exchange rates. And it's all in Kazakh. According to its creators, the primary task of the gadget is to popularize the state language.
Сәлем, бүгін ауа райы қандай?
Бүгін күн ашық, жылы. Қол шатырыңды таста.
Это такие личные, в том числе, мотивы и что
We had
послужило.
personal motives, among others, that prompted us to actively work on the development. We are currently negotiating with potential customers, and there is also the possibility of implementing a project in other languages for which there are no voice assistants, smart speakers, or similar speech recognition solutions yet. We also accept pre-orders and conduct close testing.
Колонки, вот и подобные решения с распознаванием речи. Плюс принимаем предзаказы, проводим закрытое тестирование.
The voice assistant doesn't have a name yet. The appearance of the device is also being refined. However, it will definitely depict national attributes. They are also expanding the range of features of the gadget. They expect it to be fully ready for bulk marketing by the end of the year. It will also be available in mobile application format.
Мы начали работать с 2019 года. Процесс, он, получается, очень долгий процесс. Мы собирали...
We started working on the project in 2019. It was a very long process. We were collecting data manually. So the most important advantage we have is the data that we've been working with. Our database consists of almost 5,000 hours of audio and text data. The recognition accuracy of Kazakh and mixed languages now over 75%. We are even approaching 80%. And it is the highest rate in the country.
10% уже приближаемся, и это самый, наверное, большой, я не побоюсь сказать, но самый большой показатель в стране.
In addition, the same project allows Kazakh residents to transcribe audio to text in Kazakh on a special website. This technology will greatly assist virtual assistants, visually impaired, as well as navigation and other systems.